Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture in Gmail so you no longer need to use the generic letter in your profile picture. We can change this to one of many photos or even one that you upload of yourself. It's really quite simple to do. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now the first thing we need to do is head on up to the very top right hand corner and you're going to see the little gear or sprocket here. We'll go ahead and left click on that. This will bring us into our quick settings. And under quick settings here, we want to see all settings. So right here, go ahead and left click on see all settings. Now under settings, there's a whole bunch of tabs here at the top. Make sure general is selected and we're gonna scroll down towards the bottom. You should see my picture and you'll see your profile picture right here, again, which is very generic for myself. And then to change it, we need to go to the About Me section in our Google account. So this will change it for our entire Google account. So we'll go ahead and left click on About Me. And this will take us to the correct area where we can change our profile picture. So once we've reached this spot, we can go ahead and left click here in this area where it says profile picture. And it's going to allow us to change our profile picture. So you can see it says add profile picture here at the bottom. We'll go ahead and select that. And first off, it'll give us some different illustrations that we can choose from. So there's quite a few here that we can choose from. Maybe we like computers. We could go ahead and left click on that and it'll show us what that looks like. We can also customize those. So you can pick different colors. You can crop it, rotate it, that sort of thing. If you just wanted to use a smaller portion, you could easily do that as well. I'm going to go back out of that. We can also explore different categories. So maybe we like, I don't know, water sports. We could left click on that and it'll give us different options in the water sport area as well. So quite a few to choose from the pre-done ones. Now, if we want to upload a photo of ourselves, we can go up to my computer here or from computer. We'll go ahead and left click on that. Now there's a few different options here. First off, we could tap on take a picture right here, and this will allow us to use our webcam on our computer to snap a photo of ourselves, or we can upload from our computer. So if we left click on that, we can browse our computer for a photo and then just hit open right here. The way I like to do it is to actually just drag and drop a photo in here. So I've got one on my desktop right here of myself. I'll just hold down my left mouse button over it and drag it over and drop it in this area. It's gonna upload that photo. There we go. And then we can move the photo around just like that. We can actually adjust the size if we want to move it around like that. So very easy to do. And once we have it how we like it here, we'll just go ahead and hit next here at the bottom. And it shows us what it's gonna look like. And it does say it could take a day or two to see the changes across all of your Google services. So if it doesn't show up right away, do keep that in mind. We'll just go ahead and hit save as profile picture. And it's gonna save that as our profile picture. There we go, profile picture visible to anyone. And then we can just go ahead and shut this down. And now you can see it is our profile picture here. So if I head back out to my Gmail account and hit refresh here, it shows up here in the top right-hand corner. And really it's that simple to change your profile picture here in Gmail. So I hope this quick video did help you out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, take care.